I'm here with...
Kimberly.
Did you enjoy Carnival today?
I did.
What was the best part of Carnival?
Just being with my girls, enjoying the vibes, the music,
Yeah?
different floats, yeah.
How many guys approached you today?
A lot.
Not including me.
A lot.
Not a lot, yeah?
Yeah.
Like what? Like 20, 50?
I wasn't keeping count, to be honest.
Damn,
with
that
you.
many. You got the sauce then, innit?
Got the sauce.
Yeah, I hear that. What's the best way a guy can approach a girl like you?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No,
Just have the sauce.
Just polite. Just the sauce, polite, nice. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah? What's the worst way a guy has approached you?
Just to grab me, like the grabbing. The
Yeah?
grabbing is too much.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
not do that.
Yeah. No, I hear that.
My Instagram is Kimmy K
Yeah.
_X. Yeah, and it's like that. And yeah, just do that. That's fine.
All right, no worries.
Zainab.
What's the best part of Carnival?
The best part of Carnival is the food.
The food, not even the music.
The food and the music.
Did you get moved to a lot? Did a lot of guys try to approach you?
They did.
Come in the video.
They moved to my girlfriend a lot.
Did they move to you as well?
They did.
So it's both
No
of
comment.
you. Did you like any of the guys that moved to you?
No comment. No comment, guys.
Oh yeah, that's a no. What's the best way a guy can approach a girl like you?
With what's the best way? Very cutesy, very nice,
Cutesy?
very peaceful, very respectful,
Yeah.
very nice, you know. And yeah, just be different.
And be good looking.
Yeah.
That's like number one, really,
That's
isn't
number
it?
one, that is.
Yeah. I like the honesty.
Yeah.
What's
Just be
the?
good looking.
Am I good looking?
You are.
You think so? All right, cool. What's the worst way a guy's ever tried to talk to you?
The worst way.
Yeah.
Um,
What's the worst line you've heard?
I don't know. I can't think of it because there's a lot of bad lines. I can't lie.
There's a lot of guys that have got no game, innit?
Most of them.
Oh,
Most of them,
yikes.
you know.
Here with,
Savannah.
you know you're my type, bro.
Oh, is it?
100%.
Is it?
Oh my God. But anyway, back to business. What did you like about Carnival?
Everything, the vibes, the music, the food.
Did you get approached a lot by a lot of guys today? A little bit. Like how many? Like
I couldn't give you a number.
that many? No, but I believe it. I trust that's the truth though. Because get me. What's the best way a guy can approach a girl like you? What's the best thing he can say?
That's hard. I'm not gonna lie. There's no
hard.
best way. Yeah.
No best way. All right, what?
My maid.
What's the worst thing you've ever heard a guy say to you? Like trying to approach you and he said this and he was like, eh. Don't know. Oh, all right. Well, we need to talk some more off camera anyway, so I'm gonna end it here. And I'm here with.
Sophia, I hate it. It's
Also-
horrible. I'm never coming back again.
Oh, I didn't even get to ask you why didn't you like
No,
Carnival?
I'm joking. I'm just too old for it.
You're too old for Carnival.
Yeah, I'm too old for Carnival.
How many guys try to approach you today?
I don't know.
Too many.
Yeah, but it's not doesn't mean because they think you're great. This means this guy's just trying their luck, isn't it?
What's the worst pickup line that you've heard?
Hey.
What? That's it.
That's it.
Just A.
Yeah.
What the hell?
That's
That's
it.
bad. What's the best way a guy can approach a woman like
Just
you
have manners and be respectful.
and be funny?
You can be funny, that helps, but manners and respect, that's the main thing.
Do you think his looks are going to be more important?
No, because someone really ugly can be respectful and I'll still speak to them.
Really?
Someone really good looking can be disrespectful and I would never speak to them.
Oh, okay.
Sam, KSK. If you need catering, any event, we're there. Just
It was
let me know.
catering at back
Yeah.
chat, bro. Yeah, and it was 30.
Yeah, hit me up on Instagram, KSK_catering.
Trust me. Oh yeah, I've never met this girl before. What's your name?
Samara.
Ooh,
Hi
you sound exotic.
This guy's a bit crazy.
Do your dancing. Hey, I don't dance.
King Riches!
Don't know.
King Riches, the
No.
He's not a legend.
My brother,
Yeah,
love,
God
man.
bless you every time, man.
Love,
Big up
man.
King Riches,
Big
man.
up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
Safe,
Yeah,
my
man.
brother.
This guy's crazy. Don't listen to him, guys.
Yeah,
Don't listen.
I think she fancies me. Yeah, you see when they always make that face and they look at you, that means how did you know type shit.
So who fancies who?
No, you're alright
So
still.
who fancies who?
No, you're alright.
Why is your mouth doing like little shapes? That's
It's
weird.
not, it's definitely not.
Do you guys see the bridge of the mouth moving
I'm
like?
just showing the teeth. I'm showing the teeth. So no, y'all think you're alright. You got
you
moves.
enjoy your carnival?
You got a couple moves still.
We're not talking about my moves. We're talking about carnival. Did you enjoy carnival?
I only came late. I came late today. I did not.
What's late to you?
I came at about I don't know 6.
Oh, you came late. You came later than me.
Yeah,
wow.
I just come to do videos. That's all.
You came later than me.
Yeah. Well, how you doing? How's the carnival today?
It's good. I lost all my friends.
You're
Are you
famous.
famous?
I don't know. I don't know. How many guys try to move to you today?
Bro.
Actually,
I've been telling them when I got a man that's
She's
crazy.
getting moved to as I saw her, man. So what? And she stepped on my foot. You stamped on my foot. Like, that was mean. But how many guys try to move to you today?
I lost count.
Damn, you got the sauce like that.
You see me? Like, look at me.
Guys, shake
What
it,
you
shake it,
mean?
shake
No,
it.
I'm not shaking it. I'm a wife.
what-
I need a ring on my finger.
Hey, what's the best pickup line you heard?
I don't know.
You don't know. Why you had me on your podcast? Because you're scared. Because you know that I'll make you look silly.
Your followers are crazy.
Oh no! Don't forget the followers. Like in a
followers are
conversation, if we have a conversation,
I'm scared of your followers.
I'm-
They
I'm-
are normal.
just-
They're not
listen,
normal.
I'm just too heavy.
not
It's okay.
normal.
It's enough to
Because you
handle.
just cuss women out, bro.
No, I don't do that no more.
Like-
I don't do that no more.
No,
don't
not
do
not no more.
No, I'll stop. I'll change.
Have you repented? I'm not even a feminist like that. I understand a provider, man. You have your kiss. I will kiss your feet. I will cook for you, baby. Provide for me, and I will take care of you.
You ain't kissing no one's feet. Don't
Yes,
chat
I
shit.
can.
Don't lie. Don't lie.
If my man is providing, and I don't
What
have
if he's
to
got
do,
bunions? Because he worked so
I
hard.
will
Because he
take-
worked so hard to provide for you, he's got
I'll
bunions.
take you for a pedicure.
And then he kisses his feet.
Yeah.
Bravo.
That's my man. What
I
you mean?
believe you. I don't believe you.
When
I
I,
don't
got a
believe you.
man that provides, you are a fucking king. I will take the fuck care
I'm
out
about to
of
do
you.
better editing. You swear too much. Esther, you are a mad character, but it's all good. It's all good. And I'll get her on a podcast.
Of course.
And I'm here with,
Ree.
Yeah.
Ree Opoku.
come on. How many guys try to approach you today? How many guys try to approach you today?
Uncountable. I lost count.
Wow. All right. Did you like any of them though?
I liked my man.
Respect that. I respect that. Who's gonna ask me something about?
The back chat, you and what's his name?
Yeah. What about us?
So, are you guys cool?
We're adults. We're adults.
That's good.
Yeah.
But
Did I look like a crazy guy though?
No, I just feel like he tries to dominate the show, like take charge of the show a bit too much.
And that was the first episode.
Oh, they're doing it in different ways.
Yeah. So that we had that issue and then we
And then
did
you
the show.
moved on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
yeah.
That's cool then.
But anyway, shout yourself out anyway. I'm trying to understand what you're doing. That's why I came.
No, do you know some back chat?
Hey! Alright, that's joke. I'm here with.
Catalaya.
How many guys approached you today?
Oh, too much.
Too much. Did
Too
you?
much boy and girl too.
Oh, and girls as well. You've got the sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Because I saw you. I saw you. I thought you was very pretty. So you know, obviously. So what's the best way a guy can approach a girl like you?
If you are audacious,
Yeah.
I like it, but not too much.
Not too much.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the worst pickup line you've heard? What's the worst line a guy said to you?
When they
Come here.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't like
okay. Yo, I want to remind you lot, yeah? I came here one up.
Yeah, man. Yo, ching ching in the building. Hashtag City Life. We in the building, my guy.
Come on, man. A lot more people like me than don't like me, bro. In the real world. Yeah, in the real world. But yeah, listen, I came up here one up. Yeah, I came up in a batch yesterday, but today I came one up, yeah, to do these videos, and it's lit. I got a lot of love today.
Alright, Big J one up top, you get me?
Come on.
Upper torso, my killie.
Yeah.
Out there with the YouTube done.
Yes,
Yeah?
man. Hey, we're outside for real.
Outside.
You get me? Hey, listen, it's not a joke. Man, he's really out here, bro. Like, trust me, man. I love my brother, man.
Oh,
Love.
it's boy Latif Lovejoy, aka the Love Prince, checking me out, man. At Latif Lovejoy. Big up King Richards, man.
Come
All the
on.
time, every time.
Yes.
You know them one there.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Love my
Nah,
brother.
go back
Hey,
to King,
stay
yeah.
safe, my brother. Yeah, be good.
Hey, what's going on, you man? Dido out here, man, with my guy, bro, King Richards, bro, real guy, bro.
Done, no. Really outside. Really outside.
can't
Yeah.
you? Come on, man, you already know the thing.
Hey, was it live today?
Proper live, bro.
Yeah.
It's March Core, Retro Records, come to us. South End Studio. If you need studio time, pull up for us.
It's Josh at JLanx on Instagram, yeah, and Crib Lanx on Snapchat as well.
Trust me. Let's go. Hey, shout yourselves out though, man.
Fems 90, don't know, out here, you get me?
Anthony,
Boxing, Muay
7782.
Thai, a fellow new fighter, you get me? I respect everything that all the guys that jump into it do, because it's spread the brotherhood.
This guy's a real guy,
Use
man.
your fist.
I don't care what anyone
you get
says
me?
online. You're a real guy.
That's what I'm saying. I'm outside for real. And you know what's mad? I
First
said,
time I met this guy, you know.
oh, swear.
Energy don't lie.
I know, yeah. I was sure I met you,
It's
yeah.
a sign, you know.
Yeah, no, for real. We need to chat. We need to chat.
Podcast.
Yeah, 100. What was I gonna say? Yeah, it's because what's it? You said that you knew you was gonna see me today.
I said it. I told my boy we're going to see you today.
I hope I see my ex.
I told you today. I was like, we're going to see this guy today.
Now I'm making my way out of this. It's mad. It's blocked up. Yeah, let's go. Obviously, but yeah, I think I've done a lot today. A lot of interviews. So I guess I'm doing well.